Hello techies, this is CompTIA 19.1.9 and we'll look at user policy management. So you are the IT administrator for a small corporate network. You need to configure a password policy for the domain on the CompTIA virtual server, which you can access via Hyper-V. In this lab, your task is to edit the default domain policy and configure the account policy settings using the following instruction. You're going to configure the password policies. A new password must be different from the previous 10 password. Users must change password every 90 days. Users cannot change a new password for at least 14 days. Password must be at least 10 characters long. Password must contain an uppercase, a letter, a lowercase, a number, and a symbol. So let's start up. We go to COP server. From COP server, we want to go to COP BC. And let's maximize this so that you see what I'm doing clearly. And we want to go to tools. Under tools, we want to let's look at where's this group policy management. I'm going to maximize this again. I will expand this. Let's see the task. Tools management, group policy management. Maximize the window for better viewing. From the left pane, expand forest dot. So here's forest. CompTIA the local. Let's go to domains. Scroll down, we go to CompTIA the local, linked group policy object, and let's right click on this. We want to right click default domain policy and select edit. Okay, so we want to select edit, and let's go ahead and maximize this. I want to, from the tags, maximize the window for better viewing. On the under these policies, Windows settings, account policies. So expand these, and we'll go to account policies, security settings, then we'll see account policies. Let's expand this so that we see the name clearly. Account policy and password policy. Okay, so we'll go ahead and change all of these. So new password must be different from the previous 10 password. Okay, click on this. 3 for 10. Click OK. Or else maximum password age. Users must change password every 90 days. Okay, so we'll go over here, and this is going to be, click on this. This will now change to 90 days. Go ahead and apply and click OK. This will now be 14 days. Go ahead and apply and click OK. This will now be 10 days. Go ahead and apply and click OK. So go ahead and enable this. We apply, we Click OK. Password must contain an uppercase and letter and lowercase letter. Configure account lockout policy. Lock the account. So this is going to be 5. Go ahead and apply. We click OK. So therefore log on attempt, block the account for 60 minutes, that is 1 hour, equivalent of 1 hour. So we'll go ahead and click on this. So this is going to be 60 minutes. We apply, we click OK. So after 10 minutes, reset the lockout attempt counter back to 0. Okay, so this is going to define, and this is going to be 10 minutes. So we'll go ahead and apply, click OK. So let's go ahead and check our answers and see how we do, and everything is 100% correct. If you need a longer video that explains in details all of my action and the steps in this video, send me an email and I'm going to send you the video. The video is going to be a bit longer because I'm going to explain all of my actions in this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.